can't do a rolling burnout out of here?
I wish, man.
Well, guys, here's Adam being a kid. Anyways, we're at Speed Vegas. We don't live very much. We work too damn much, so we have an off day today. I'm not gonna lie. We're taking a little advantage of the off day, and we're gonna go drive a couple of cars. Adam is driving
a 488 Ferrari 488 Challenger Evo, GT2 RS, and a GT500.
I'm gonna drive a Ferrari 488 Pista. This makes 710 horsepower from the factory. Adam's makes 670, so the Evo's pretty badass. I'm also driving the GT2 RS just because I'm a big Porsche guy. I love the Porsches.
And it's got a good amount of horsepower too.
I've driven a GT500 before, so I didn't choose that one for my third car. Third car I'm gonna do a C8 Z06, the highest horsepower naturally aspirated engine ever produced.
Yep.
To date.
670 horsepower.
670 horsepower. So apparently because we picked 3 cars, I didn't know this, but we get the VIP experience, whatever that is. So
yeah,
you get a whole bunch of drinks for free and some candy if you want it.
Yep. Unfortunately, no wall mounts.
There's no wall mounts to charge Adam's phone, I don't think. Go outside. So we're gonna take you outside. We're gonna listen to some cars, hang out for a little bit, just enjoy the experience. I mean, God, look at that, so gorgeous. Yeah, not like it's a bad day to do that one. 3.9 liter twin turbo V8, like come on. Here's the entry. And we're gonna get the videos of us driving so we can put them on this video for you guys. Just something fun.
3 days later.
Are you driving first?
I have no idea.
Oh, fair enough.
Tell me.
Yep. We're getting checked in. We did the first 2 laps around the track. And it was a blast. And now we're going to go drive it ourselves. There goes Adam for his first drive in the GT500. There's Adam right there.
Much later.
Alright, introduce yourself for me, first and last name, please.
Matthew Story?
Alright, Matthew, my name is Big Mac. I'll be with you in the Z06. It's your first car, and we're doing 5 laps in this car, correct?
Yes, sir. We can't do a rolling burnout out of here?
I wish, man. Build your speed up. 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 Brakes. Smooth. Shift down. Stay on the left side. A little lighter on the braking. A little lighter. Shift up. There you go. Accelerate. Straight to the green. Okay, now bring it to the right while you add more gas. Keep adding more gas. There you go. Brakes. Hold it. Stay wide first on this. Release your brakes. Now look to your left. Get closer with the apex. Maintain your speed. Steady. There you go. Keep it going. Good. Okay, now tight on the right side. Keep turning your wheel. There you go. Maintain your gas. Apex to your left. Now keep adding more gas back to your left side. Off the gas. Tight on the right. Now light throttle. Keep right on this one. Keep it going. Brakes. Brake harder. Hold it first. Now start turning. Release. Now connect the green cones. The straighter the better. Smooth. There you go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Brakes. Good. Stay right. Harder. Shift down. Good. Now ease off your brakes. Get closer with the apex first. Tighter to the left. Tight. Now when you accelerate, right side. Go. Right side. Up. Stay left. Up. Keep it going. Brakes. Good. Sit now, okay?
Yes, sir. That was wild, dude. This thing is a fucking beast.
Wait till
Now I want to buy one.
wait till you drive the Pista.
Wow.
1 eternity later.
Let's do this.
So if you are ready, foot on the brake, upshift, and it should just say 1 on the screen. If it does, give me a little gas. We're going out right.
Here it is.
Yep. They're kind of close together in the Ferraris.
Yeah, they are.
I like to keep my foot kind of cocked to the side, and then
Yep.
just go back and forth with the toes. Good. Clear on the right, make a left. Good, just keep her about 10 miles per hour. Holding left side of the blue. Good, going through the blues. Stopping at the last 2 orange cars. What a wild car. Oh, dude, you have not felt anything yet. Well, I'm going to tell you on certain parts of this track to be on the gas, and you're going to go, what? No, you don't mean that.
That's good to know. Because that is like, I mean, obviously, you guys do this for a living.
Yeah.
I don't get to do this every day.
So
You know what I
where's
mean?
the trust, right?
I think I know how to drive. I'm a pretty good driver, I think.
Yeah. All right, let's go smooth on gas. Hold the right side. I'll tell you when to blend over. Up.
Wow. This is way different than that Z06.
Right. Tied in. Remember, you don't have time to think, so don't.
Yep.
Right side gas. Up. Up. Left. Up.
Wow.
Brake hard, like you mean it. Down twice. Stay. Off brake, coast in. Little gas, 10%. Tighter first, then we build. Good. Downshift. Good. Passing soon. Little gas, down your line for now. Tied in now. Little gas. Good. Keep that commitment. That's where my arm is. Yes. Now bring it back. Tighter, tighter. Yes. Upshift. Gassing on the left. Jesus. Right side cast. Pass, pass, pass. Brake hard. Downshift. Turn. Coast. Let it roll. Gas. Snap it. Hit it. Do not come off. Go.
What the fuck?
Brake hard. Downshift twice. Turn your head. Tight and breathe.
What the hell am I doing? This is badass.
Brake hard, brake hard, brake hard. Two down. Stay green. Don't follow him. Look through him. Off brake turn. Passing on the right. Go ahead. You're good. Set up for it. Go now. Full throttle. Full throttle. Brake. Downshift. Stay loaded out. Off brake. Let it flow. Turn your head. Dive in now. Good. Get it in there. Now 10% only. Back to the right. 15% tight. Upshift. Keep it flowing. You're great. You're great. You're great. Off tight. Little gas. Let it flow. Brake hard on the right. Good. Off brake. Turn in. No gas. Gas now. Cut. Build. Hit it. All of it. Upshift. Brake. Harder. Gotta be aggressive. Two down. Turn the head. Smooth in. Off brake. Little gas. As soon as we get to that brake zone, I need 100% immediately.
Okay.
Go. Up. Up. How are you feeling?
Fucking awesome, dude.
Brake hard. Down twice. Smooth. Release. Passing on the right. Set up for it. Same thing. Go now. Full throttle. Brake. Downshift. Stay long out, but turn your head. Smooth in. Open that horizon, and everything is never a surprise. Keep it left. You're great. Smooth back. Less gas. Tighter steering. Eyes up. Building speed. Upshift. Keep on her left. Great. Keep on her right. Tighter. Gas. Hard brake on the right. Turn and coast. Tighter on the crease. Cut gas. Go. Yes. Upshift. Beautiful line. Brake. Harder. 100%. Downshift. Downshift. There we go. Release. Tight in. Big breath. Last lap. Tighter on the
This is
steering.
fucking incredible, dude.
Go. Up. Left. Up. Up.
Wow.
Boom. Little gas. Trust it. Tighter here. Now we have more track. Go. Stay loose. Stay loose.
This is insane.
Brake. Downshift. Off brake. Loaded. Too early. Make it
Yep,
work. You're
yep,
good.
yep.
So 5%. Tighter steering though. There you go. You made it work. Tighter. Less gas. Tighter. Save it. Go now. Upshift. Snap. Hit. Upshift. Brake. Exit.
Good lord, dude. That was so fucking rad. Dude, that was fucking incredible.
This car's nuts.
This car is insane.
It is a
I have literally never experienced anything like that.
it is a machine, dude.
Like, that was funner than skydiving.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Wow. Over here sweating like crazy.
Good job.
Dude,
Really
that
good
was
job.
insane. Yep. Adam's going to drive the Challenger Evo 488. Now, I just drove the Pista right there, the one at the end, and that was the most radical experience I've ever had in my life.
This car completely different. We're getting into an actual race car. This car not only is it much faster, well, it's about the same speed as the GT2 RS. That thing's wicked fast, right? So this thing is about the same speed, but a lot more grip, but a lot harder to drive. So in some instances, it's got a crazy amount of grip, but it's going to require a lot of finesse, a lot of focus. Any little mistakes in this car can become big mistakes. So making sure we're being very, very smooth with this car, or we're gonna be in some trouble. All right. Alright, so hop on in, right foot, drop your butt all the way in, followed by your head.
This is a little race car.
Oh yeah, full Ferrari challenge. It's like kind of like GT3 spec. I mean, it's a proper race car.
Well, Adam's about to have the time of his life right there. It's literally a race car.
10 seconds later.
Hopefully not the guy that spins out today.
Hopefully not. We have Matthew's story here. Yes, this is your third car of the day. You were the Z06, the Pista, and now we're driving the GT2 for 5 laps. Any questions?
No.
Okay. So on solid fourth, sharp left at the end. Kind of wish you drove this first than the Pista.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the Pista gives you a little bad habits. Yeah, it has good stability control, traction control. This one has none.
Ah.
Yeah, that's. And then
Interesting.
I want you to pump the brakes, make sure there's pressure. All right. In 3, 2. Actually, give him more room because you can catch up to him very easily with this car. All right. Go for it. Don't cut across. Just go straight. Okay. Up shift. Up. Up. Come back over. So make a feel for that brake. Brake harder. Downshift 1. All right. So stay left. You can release brake. We're gonna turn in slowly. Lighter on the gas. There you go. Applying just a little bit more. Unwind first. Squeezing it gently. Apply more. Good. Keep it going. Now brake straight here. So look left. We're gonna turn in slowly. Lighter on the gas again. Connect to the green closer. Tighter. Good. A little bit more throttle. Come back over solo right. So stay right again. So we're gonna pass him pretty soon here. Pass him on the right. I'm just here for safety. Squeezing the throttle a little bit more. Upshift. Off the gas here and hug right. Maintain it on the paint. Good. Go ahead and brake hard. Downshift. Turn in early and release. Stay in the middle again. Okay.
Yep.
Lighter on the gas. Apply a little bit more. Now squeeze that throttle. Go. Upshift. Brake hard. Brake more. Downshift. Downshift. Turn in and releasing slowly. So easy in the throttle. You're in second gear. So easy. Unwind the wheel first. Squeeze it gently. Go for it. Upshift.
Whoa, that came quick.
Stay left.
That came quick, dude. Holy shit.
Go for it. Brake smooth. So look left first and turn it slowly. Maintaining the speed again on the paint. So lighter on the throttle. Apply just a little bit more.
Okay.
A little bit more. A little more. Now hug the paint. So maintain it. Don't lift. Don't lift. There you go. Pass it down the right. I'm just here for safety. Upshift. Off the gas here. Easy. So making right side here. Light throttle. Now brake hard. Downshift. Turn it down. Release again. So stay over the paint. So maintain it for now and squeeze it gently. Not too high. Upshift. Brake hard. Downshift. Brake more. Downshift. Braking a little too late there.
Okay.
So be careful. So easy again. Unwind the wheel first. Squeezing the throttle gently. Go for it. Go. Upshift. Upshift.
That
She's
is
quick, huh?
exhilarating,
Up.
dude.
It's faster than Pista. Accelerate. Yep. Brake harder. Downshift. Downshift. Stay left. You can release the brake again and turn in. So balance the throttle. Connect to the green. Unwind the wheel first, but stay right. Squeezing the throttle gently. Braking straight again. So look left first. Turn in and slowly release. So maintain the speed in the paint. Very good. Applying a little bit more throttle. We're gonna come back over still the right. So easy. So you can make it. Okay. Apply a little more. Now connect to the green. Squeezing it gently to the middle again. Let's go. Accelerate. Off the gas and hug right. So lighter on the throttle. A little bit more. So look left again. Pass him on the inside. And hug the paint. So lighter on the gas again, okay? So look ahead first. Unwind the wheel first. Now squeezing the throttle gently. Go for it. Go. Up. Up. Keep going. Stay left.
That is fucking wild.
It's fast. It's fast. Go for it. Go. Upshift. Up 1. Let's go get him. Up. Wait for the signal. Pass him. Upshift. Brake hard. Downshift. Stay left. Downshift. You can release again, so in balance, get light on the throttle, lighter. Now squeezing it gently, but stay right. And go for it a little bit more. Good. Brake straight, brake more, look left, and releasing slowly again. Light on the throttle, now maintain the speed of the paint. We're gonna pass him on the right side, so easy, so you can make it. Light on the throttle again, connect to the green. Look ahead first, squeezing it gently, but stay left. Upshift. Off the gas and hug right. Maintain the speed again, tighter. Good, good. Got everything done.
Yes, sir.
You all done for today?
Yes.
And I do recommend that drifting for your friends and family, okay?
I appreciate that so
Any
much.
questions, sir?
I don't know what to say. Well, guys, we closed the place down. Beautiful sunset. If you get to experience that ever,
Holy shit.
that answers that pretty damn good. I don't know. I can't pick a favorite.
pick a favorite.
I would say
Oh
if
my
I
God.
have to pick a favorite for me, it would probably be the Corvette because that's one that I could buy.
Yes. And the
Like-
GT500 for me because that's something. Well, I can't afford it, but
Yes, it could.
I can't.
Anyways,
afford it, but
if I was to pick one, like if that's what you're asking, the Z06 solely because it's something that I could go buy.
it'll be still $100,000 car.
Yeah, I know. It's still an expensive car. And I mean, as wild as it is, the Z06 performs damn near the same as the Pista and the GT2 RS. The
670
GT2 RS
horsepower.
has zero traction control, zero stability control. And I can tell you right now, coming out of the hairpin, second gear, I laid into it and spun the tires to 7,000 RPMs and then grabbed third gear and kept going. And it was absolutely exhilarating.
Yep.
We hope you enjoyed the video of our trip to Vegas. We have another 2 days to kill, a day and a half until we fly out.
I'm
So
sure we'll do something fun tomorrow.
yeah, we're gonna find something to do.
So all the guys that like do it and everything, they are so much fun to drive with and everything. So they'll give you a little thing to like leave them a review and stuff like that, which I definitely recommend. But I'm doing it for all my guys. They were freaking awesome.
Be sure to click like, subscribe, follow, all that good stuff.